Hi everyone, welcome to Sri Hari Degree and PG College YouTube channel. So I'm going to deal with subject talent management. So I'm going to discuss about syllabus of talent management. So in this talent management, the 5th semester students, we are going to study about the talent management subject. It is completely HR specialization based subject and it will be useful for higher studies also and HR specialization people only. Right. So now we are going to discuss about syllabus of talent management subject. First unit, talent management. So talent management means, so we are going to recruiting the people in right time, the right place. We are going to recruiting the people and so we are going to developing their organization. Most of the talent organizations, talent management means the finding and developing, training, keeping the employees whose skills align need and objectives of the company. The main goal of talent management is to recruiting the best people or talented people and to reach the maximum potential of success into that organization. That is called talent management. So now the significance of talent management, what are the important factors are included into the talent management, and as well as attracting the talent management and as well as retaining the talent management. Attracting the talent management means so the employee values and based upon the employee skills, so how the company will be suitable for the employee and so how it will be attract the employees. So comes under the first unit. We are going to discuss about that. And retaining the employees. Retaining means to continue to keeping the employees. And I'm coming to the next one, right sizing of workforce. So in work, so how it will be assigned to that work and what place you are going to assign to that, what place you are going to recruiting the suitable person. So and as well as and work-life balance initiatives also. Work-life balance means personal and professional lives we are going to balance. Those are the incentives all we are going to study about first unit. And HR providing the leadership, HR strategies. So the main objective is to maintaining department in smooth manner into that organization. So HR manages to play the key role into that organization. That the main objective is the first unit, to recruiting the people in best employees and retaining the employees, and then to balance their employees and the right size of the workforce ability. So these are the under the first unit. Next, coming to the competency mapping. Yes, competency means knowledge, skills and behavior. These are the competency. So that means we are going to mapping to the how it will be reaching the goals into that organization, and as well as what are the futures, approaches, and including the competency mapping. And so we are going to discuss about the second unit, developing the competency models. Like for example, we are going to recruiting the employees, best employees. Then it will be interview method and observation method, and we are going to analyze how behave with their organization into that employees. So this is we are going to discuss about into the competency mapping. Ultimate in this competency mapping, so we are going to target best recruiting. We are going to recruiting the best employees, and we are going to reaching the goals and objectives of the company. And main the target is then it will be continue their employees into the organization. So it is come under the second unit. And coming to the third unit, performance management and employee development. Yes, Now we are going to discuss performance management. So performance management means to increasing their employee performance, and we are going to getting the feedback and accountability, and they're increasing their employee performance, and mostly we are going to concentrate on increasing the employee performance. Automatically then it will be increasing the organization development. And coming to that, employee development. Employee development means to encouraging the employee performance and their skills, knowledge, and they're improving the personal skills and personal plans. We are going to encourage the people automatically, so it will be increasing their employee performance, then it will be developing their organizations. And this included, it will be we are going to come under 360-degree feedback. 360-degree feedback, 360-degree appraisal, you know about that very well. So 360-degree feedback, so the employees, it will be considered the all aspects, not only for one aspect. That means not only for skills, not only for based on their behavior, not only for their experience, it will be considered all aspects. So we are going to evaluate the employee performance. That is called 360-degree feedback. And this included the performance linked with remuneration. Performance linked with remuneration. So employees based on performance, then it will be gain the salaries or remunerations or their promotions. And the performance linked with their employee promotions. Their performance linked with rewards. Employee performance based upon their employee performance, then it will be increasing the salaries, and then it will be increasing the their positions, and it will be coming their rewards and awards, achievements, so based upon their employees. So, and we are going to discuss about the personal development plans also, and it will be increasing their skills and knowledge, and their technical skills, it will be increased, and these things it will be discussed about third unit. And coming to the fourth unit, employee engagement. So employee engagement means so that employees we are going to maintain in proper manner into that organization. So engaged, not engaged. That means every skilled employee, so it will be maintained to the organization in smooth manner, and it will be developing their step-by-step process. And also then engagement means, that means every employee should have a minimum responsibilities, and every employee their different talents. So it will be continue their talents, and it will be putting their efforts. Then it will be increasing their employee performance, and it will be manage their employees also. Automatically it will develop their departments and their organization also. And then Q12 model of Gallup. Q12 model of Gallup. So that concept is mostly we are going to survey. That means how people they think about into that organization. So, and as well as every employee should have different talented skills are there. So then it will be exploring, and then we are going to find out the different people attitude. So we are going to survey for that. So Q12 model of Gallup. And also employee survey and employee satisfaction. When it is employee satisfied, definitely organizations providing the different facilities and their good working environment and basic needs, it will be provided. Definitely they're doing the work in smooth manner into that employees. So every employee, it will be satisfied, and then automatically they're increasing the performance. Then only it will be develop their organization. And employee survey also. So in different areas and different perspectives and different regions to come and they join their organization. They're working together. Definitely different aspects, so it will be follow into that organizations. So in that organization, definitely you are going to consider based upon their values and their responsibilities. So it will be considered automatically. So these are, we are going to discuss about the employee survey and employee satisfaction. It is come under the employee engagement. Now we are going to discuss about the succession planning. Succession planning means definitely every organizations we are going to setting the goals and objectives, and we are going to pre-plan setting the goals. So that plans we are going to move, and definitely it will be reaching the maximum potential of the success. So we are going to identify the first one. We are going to identify the managerial positions. So definitely every organization, so we are going to start, we are going to set up clear clarity blueprint into that organization. So that means blueprint means we have very good clarity about so what we are going to do that. So in that managerial position, so next further what are the steps you are going to take, and taking the lateral step we are going to improvement of the organization and improvement of the employees. So we are going to pre-plan for the set of priorities and set of objectives or goals we are going to set up. Definitely we are going to reaching the maximum potential of the success. So that's why, so these are the talent management syllabus. So in that 5 units. So it is all about the talent management syllabus. Thank you.